This video covers how to open an AutoCAD file on a PC. There are three different main file types or file extensions associated with AutoCAD application. .dwg file extension is the native file type of an AutoCAD drawing. .dwt file extension is an AutoCAD template file. .dxf file extension is a generic CAD drawing and not specific to AutoCAD brand. However, due to the generic definition of a DXF file, it is compatible with AutoCAD. When opening an existing CAD drawing, you should have the correct file format selected in order to have access to the file. Notice when I select a file format type in the pull-down menu, it limits the choices within the open dialog box as to which files are accessible. If I change the file format search from DWG to DXF, I cannot see any file options except for DXF. Likewise, if I change the file format to a DWG AutoCAD file type, then the DXF files are no longer visible. When switching the file format search type to DWT, however, AutoCAD PC switches you to an entirely different location in the computer, which is the default location of DWT template files. There are three different ways to open an existing file in AutoCAD. When you first start AutoCAD, you will see the Start dialog box. You will see a wide range of files that you've already opened, worked on, and saved. If you want to continue a work session on an existing project, pick from one of the icons shown in this dialog box. If you are opening an existing file for the first time, you should pick on the Open button here. Another method for opening a file is to go to the AutoCAD icon located in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. From the icon pull-down menu, pick Open. And a third method is to locate the Open File icon at the top of the screen.